Hey friends, welcome back. If your carrier air conditioner isn't cooling properly or your thermostat is acting strange, a simple reset can often fix the problem. This process restores the system to its default state and clears minor glitches without needing professional help. Start by turning off the power to your air conditioner. You can do this from the thermostat or directly at the circuit breaker. This step is important for safety. Next, check your thermostat settings and confirm it's set to cooling mode with the temperature lower than the room temperature. While the system is off, inspect your air filter. If it looks dusty or clogged, replace or clean it because poor airflow can cause cooling problems. Now, look for a reset button on the indoor unit near the control panel or display. If your unit has one, press and hold it for about 5 seconds until you see a light flash or the display respond. If there's no reset button, turn off the AC breaker completely and leave it off for at least 1 hour. This allows the internal electronics to fully reset. Afterward, restore power, reset your temperature and fan preferences, and let the unit run. If the air conditioner still isn't working correctly, the issue may involve frozen coils, dirty outdoor components, or electrical faults, which require professional service.